Hello everyone. As you know that CBSE has recently issued one new guideline for the evaluation process. So today we shall discuss about the evaluation procedure for CBSE class 12 2021. The marks contribution from class 10 will be 30%, from class 11 it will be 30%, and from class 12 it is 40%. So this is the broad guideline. But how these marks will be extracted from your class 10, 11 and class 12 scorecard? Let us understand this thing from this video. Say for example, this is your class 10 mark sheet having 5 different subjects, and in class 10 mostly you will find theory marks are of 80 and internal marks is of 20. So total it is 100. But all the marks will not be counted for class 12. We'll take best 3 subject. Best in the sense that not from the total. Best 3 subject from the theory portion. So here we'll consider only the theory part. Internal and total marks is not required. We'll see only the theory portion. So let us mask the theory and internal marks. Okay. Now from this theory part, here you can see the best 3 mark, it is 75, 78 and 79. These are the 3 best marks from the class 10 scorecard. So we will take the average of this best 3. So average of best 3, it is coming out as 77.33. So 30% of this 77.33, it is coming out as 23.19. So that 23.19 will be added to each of your subject in class 12 scorecard. So we'll show the calculation. Next one is marks from class 11. So in class 11 also, only 5 best subject will be taken into consideration. If you have any additional subject, then it will not be counted unless and until it is having a good marks than any other subject. That means only 5 best subject will be taken into consideration. But in class 11 you will find some theory portion is of having 80 marks and some theory having 70 marks. If theory portion is of 80 marks, then internal or practical will be of 20 marks. If theory portion is of 70 marks, then internal or practical will be of 30 marks. And based on that, marks will be counted. But here also, internal and total marks, it is not considered. Here only theory portion will be counted. Theory may be of 80 or theory may be of 70. So we are masking the internal and total marks. Now 30% of each from the theory will be counted, whether it is 80 marks or it is of 70 marks. The corresponding 30% from each theory will be counted. So 30% of 74, it is coming out as 22.2. 30% of 55, it is coming out as 16.5. Similarly, we will get 15, 20.7 and 14.4. These are the 30% of each subject from the theory. So these marks will be added to your class 12 scorecard. Next, marks from class 12. So marks from class 12, it may be taken from midterm or it may be taken from the pre-board, or it can be taken both from midterm or pre-board. That is, average of midterm and pre-board can also be taken, but it depends on the institution. It depends on the internal committee prepared by the institution. Whatever they decide, that will be considered. They may take marks from midterm or they may take marks from the pre-board or the average of midterm and pre-board. Say this is your pre-board mark sheet having 5 different subjects, some marks, some theories of 80 marks and some theories of 70 marks. Here also we don't require internal and total marks, only theory portion will be counted. Okay, so from class 12 midterm or pre-board, 40% of each subject will be counted. So 40% of 75, it is coming out as 30. 40% of 67, it is coming out as 26.8. Similarly, 40% of 56, it is coming out as 22.4, and 19.6 and 20.8 respectively. So these are the 40% of each from the theory of class 12 midterm or pre-board. So these marks will be added to the class 12 scorecard. So what will be the class 12 scorecard? The overall calculation will be class 10 30%, 23.19, it will be added to each of the subject. Class 11 30%, for first subject it is 22.2, then 16.5, then 15, then 20.7, then 14.4. So 30% of each subject it is counted. Class 12 40% of each subject, that is 30, 26.8, 22.4, 19.6 and 20.8 it is coming. Now we'll sum up this column A, column B and column C, and it is coming out as 75.39, which is rounded off to 75, then 66.49, which is rounded off to 66, 60.59, it is around 61, 63.49, it is around 63, and 58.39, it is around 58. Now marks from practical, class 12 practical exam, which was already awarded. For some subject it may be 20 marks and for some subject it may be 30 marks. So red portions are indicating that it is of 20 marks. That is 18 and 20, these are out of 20 marks it is counted. So we will combine 75 and 18, it will come out as 93, then 66 plus 28, total 94, then 61 plus 30 it is 91, 63 plus 20 it is 83, and 58 plus 27 it is 85. So overall your mark is coming out as 446, and it is out of 500. So this way marks will be calculated for class 12 scorecard. I hope you have understood this thing. Thank you.